Wow, look at that. Hi, my name is Warren, and today we're going to unbox Kidzlabs Light Kaleidoscope 4M. Make a whole range of beautiful color patterns with templates. Interesting. Make color silhouettes by placing objects in between. Okay. Cautions for ages over 8, not for children under 3 years old. 3 years due to small parts. Okay, so this is the instruction. And now let's unbox it. Read the instruction how to assemble. First we need to take this one. Now I take the base template, which is the white one. We should remove this hole before we put it in here on the base. Okay, now put it and rotate it until all 3 LED lights are visible through the hole. Here, done. Template wheel, then put the screw inside. Now let's turn this template wheel halfway, like this. Here, like this. Now it's time to install the AAA batteries. Flip upside down. Don't do it yourself. Ask your parents to help. Then we need to screw this so it can't come out. Now let's operate this kaleidoscope. Yay! Find the template with 3 large holes. It's this one. Not this one. Place this template on the template wheel. Wait a minute. I think this is upside down because we're going to put the template here. And maybe this is the top side, this is the bottom side. Can you see this hole? Put the hole over here. It's best to fill your kaleidoscope in a dark room. This is what we see when we turn on the kaleidoscope. The primary light color are blue light, red light, and green light. What happens if we turn this one? Ooh, it will mix the color. So green plus blue is cyan, and blue plus red is purple, and then red plus green, yellow. And if we mix all the colors together, it will be white on the middle. And now let's turn the black template and see what happens. We'll have 4 more templates. Let's try them. So Joe, which one do you want?
This star one. So
okay, now so let's align the hole.
see?
Oh, now let's turn it. Ooh.
So good.
Oh, this plate is almost go at the bottom, so we need to turn it counterclockwise so it can go up and up until if we turn it to the top, we can see more stars.
This.
Not that way. And then we will fix it by what? Oh, here.
It was so cool.
Wow! at the bottom, it will be not very clear. Okay, now let's try on top. Can you turn it this way? Enough. Ooh, it will be very clear.
Okay, now let's change. Become light gold. Ooh, it's like Pokemon. Wow. Cool. See, rich.
We can see so many dots.
And the dots become smaller, isn't it?
Yeah, and the dots become smaller.
If the template is higher, the dots become smaller, but there we have
Let's see the
more
difference.
dots.
If we're at the bottom, the dots will be big and less.
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you like it?
See what happens if we go on top. See what happens if we make the template wall on top.
Wow, very beautiful.
Thanks for watching our video.
Yeah.
Please subscribe and like our channel. Goodbye.
Okay, bye.